I'm an undefined amount of unfiltered lines behind nature's multicolored spotlight, longing to empower my persistence enough to launch shooting star symphonies, lagging one quarter at a time behind notes, never disappearing, only forced into quiet choruses lasting unexplained lengths of time. Have I stolen volumes on fate from the Milky Way? My instincts on love continue to prove imperiously intrusive. Helplessly I hold the title of midnight's miserable mainstay. I rest in gardens beholden to natural beauty long since disconnected from my own heart's display. I'm an undefined amount of unfiltered tears, slowly disengaging, building layers of fog, unforgivably filtering fantastical fright.